मानो या ना मानो ये शुरू हो गई,
मानो या ना मानो ये शुरू हो गई।
Ladies and gentlemen,
What a wonderful song. It made me think of rain, rain and more rain. आज इस प्यारे मौसम का आनंद ले रहे हैं। हम आनंद तो ले रहे हैं, बट आशा करते हैं कि हम भी आप सबको इस प्यारे मौसम की बारिश के रंगों में रंगने पर मजबूर कर देंगे।
तो कैसे इन रंगों में रंगेंगे?
हमारी प्रस्तुति ही इनको बारिश के इन रंगीन रंगों में रंगने पर मजबूर कर देगी।
गाइस, आपको ये जानकर खुशी होगी कि स्पर्श देहरादून ने यहाँ पर पूरा 1 साल पूरा कर दिया है।
हम चाहेंगे कि आप भी इन पलों को एक बार फिर याद करें। तो आइए देखते हैं स्पर्श के कुछ यादगार लम्हे।
आइए देखते हैं हम अपनी स्प्रिंग पर स्पर्श के यादगार दिन। I can't hear you. How are we today? Nice crowd, big group, ready to have a lot of fun. Okay. I'd like to share something with you guys. It's really an honor for us today that we have amongst us today Ms. Radhika Balasubramaniam, CEO of Spark, joined us. It is very kind of her to take out time from her busy schedule and meet us. Thank you so much, Radhika. Our pleasure also. Let us extend our warm welcome to our esteemed guests, Beena Shetty, Head Communications, Manish Bharadwaj, Ops Head from Gurgaon, N.K. Sharma from Karnal, and Chirdeep from Kolkata. So we've got people all over India for you. All right. So a very, very warm welcome to all of you to Ice Sparkle and to the one-year celebrations of Sparsh Dehradun. You know, we've completed 1 year today, and I feel I should share some of the milestones that we've achieved in this center. Okay, I don't know if you all know, but Sparsh Dehradun is the largest recruiter in Uttaranchal. The center was conceptualized somewhere in April 2009, and that's when the government vertical was to spread into tier 3 cities. So we chose Dehradun because we heard that it's a beautiful place with very good, population, and I think we were not wrong. Thanks, Dehradun. The first prize came in 24th August, and by 28th August we were actually ready for diving. That was a full 3 days before our scheduled start date of 1st September. So our transition was smooth and on time. We were also fortunate to have this center inaugurated by the director of BSNL himself, Mr. R.K. Agarwal. The center had started with about 200 logins and moved on to its full capacity of 700 logins by January, within hardly 4 months. Now, some more milestones. This is the first center amongst all SNL centers to have implemented 100% call recording. This is also the first center to have gone with thin client, which is now the order of the day. Lots of firsts have come up in Dehradun. The first agent, I would like to take this opportunity and announce the names of the first employee of Sparsh Dehradun as well as the first agent who took the call. Any guesses? Who is the first employee of Dehradun Center? Is that all? No other guesses? Alright, the first employee, the first person who got hired in this center was none other than Richa Dhawan. And the first agent who took the first call in the center was Ankit Sharma. Yeah. Alright, so that's about our center. May I now request our CEO, Radhika Balasubramaniam.
Sparsh Dehradun Center का. And the second one is obviously the company reward and recognition, which is the Ice Sparkle. तो award winners को बधाइयाँ, आप लोगों को शुभकामनाएं, and keep the Dehradun Sparsh flag flying very high. Give a big clap for all of you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Richa Dhawan, please come on stage.
employee of Sparsh BPO Dehradun. Today I have got an opportunity to share few of my past experiences that I had with this company. I joined this company on 20th August 2009. Those days there were very less crowd. But today when I see lots of events are from here, all from far and near. But from my point of view, I feel that we people who join this company never feel like leaving this place because of friendly environment. We learn a lot of things like very important communication skills, professional behavior, and how to interact with people, as well as we learn more things in all aspects. Next, coming up to the people of Sparsh, here we are having few working departments. But since the first day I never felt such that there is a division among because of good environment. Here all we are very corporate and helpful one another in very professional manner. The working here is excellent and also the calling is quite here very enjoy and the total. Lastly, coming to the conclusion, all my experience with this company is so good. I never feel like leaving this company because I learn a lot of things from here, and the people, even of my friends and colleagues, must also have an heaven-like experience here. I would like to thank to Sparsh who gave me this opportunity to come in front to all of you. And I feel too proud to be the part of company. Thank you.
Respected managers and leaders and my dear friends, opportunity to share few of my past experiences that I had with this company. I joined this company on 20th August 2009. Our company has given me a lot of facilities, like we had many fun activities in this year that passed by. We had firstly a dance competition in which all the dancers danced so well. After that, we had a cricket tournament in which girls along with boys were mixed and 6 teams were formed. That was a tough match. After that, we had programs like musical chair, arm fighting, tug of war, in which we enjoyed a lot. Also coming to the experience regarding the overall views, this company has treated
ये